In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in welcome pop-up and go into the app menu. Now you need to edit your shortcuts by clicking on this icon of a pen. Scrolling all the way down, looking for a Caffeine shortcut and dragging it to the current ones. Now let go back and click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!